Welcome to my channel, where today I'm going to share with you a secret email system that will help you keep your emails private and secure. With the increasing number of cyber attacks and data breaches, it's important to take extra precautions when it comes to email security. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to set up this secret email system, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your sensitive information is protected. Step 1. Choose a secure email provider. The first step in setting up a secret email system is to choose a secure email provider. You want to make sure that the email provider you choose has strong encryption and a good reputation for protecting user data. Some great options include ProtonMail, Tutanota, and Hushmail. Use two-factor authentication. Once you've chosen a secure email provider, the next step is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and ensures that only you have access to your email. Most email providers offer 2FA, so be sure to enable it as soon as possible. Step 3. Encrypt your emails. To further protect your emails, you can also encrypt your messages before sending them. There are several email encryption tools available, including PGP, Pretty Good Privacy, and GPG, GNU Privacy Guard. These tools use complex algorithms to scramble your message, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. Step 4. Don't share your email address. One of the simplest ways to keep your email private is to not share your email address with anyone you don't trust. This includes not posting your email address online or giving it out to strangers. If you need to share your email address with someone, use a disposable email address instead. Step 5. Use a VPN. Finally, it's important to use a VPN, virtual private network, when accessing your email. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it difficult for anyone to track your online activity. This is especially important when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often unsecured and can be easily compromised by hackers. So there you have it, a secret email system that will help you keep your emails private and secure. By following these steps, you can protect yourself from cyber threats and keep your sensitive information safe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.